Okay, here we have a 2009 Chevrolet Sierra pickup. This is the 4x4 pickup, four-wheel drive. There's a decal on it that says Z71 4x4. It may just be an aftermarket decal. As we can see, it has a lift kit and certainly a set of custom tires. Look at those wheels. Whew, they're heavy. This also has a rather interesting conversion on it. What we see here is a stainless steel brake caliper. Yep, what happens is we remove the backing plate, the brake shoes, the drum, and the wheel cylinder, and we install this set of adapters, a rotor, and a stainless steel brake caliper. Now this actually has a cable actuated screw type emergency brake that was giving us some trouble. That's why it was here. Here we see that stainless steel brake caliper, and of course it says SSBC right there embossed on the outside of it. It looks like it's well made. Unfortunately, this style has been discontinued. There are several aftermarket manufacturers that make this setup, and what's happening? We're replacing a drum brake with a disc brake, and I need some type of emergency brake. And this is a screw type emergency brake. And actually this seems to work fairly well. Pads are getting a little close. I'm not sure quite where I get pads for it, unfortunately. As far as the stopping characteristics of the vehicle, they're excellent. One thing about rear disc brakes, they're not quite so prone to lock up like drum brakes. However, I do have a metering proportioning valve on this vehicle, and some manufacturers recommend that you modify that or replace it when installing their disc brake system. Alright, well, we're ready to release this vehicle, and hopefully she'll be good and ready to roll down the road.